Is Neptune a completely new spreadsheet, or it works with Excel as a plugin where you interact with the spreadsheet through ChatGPT?
No, it is an entirely standalone spreadsheet. You can import and export from Excel, of course. We support anything that works in Excel directly. The other way around is a little more tricky because obviously Neptyne is a superset of Excel. So if you export something from Neptyne into Excel, you might lose some of the functionality. And it is something that we've struggled with because we realized that it would be easier for people to get started if it was actually an Excel plugin. But given that we really want to give people this integrated experience where you have this full Python environment, if you look at the current solutions to use Python in Excel, they're very clunky, very hard to deploy because it's really a Python process that talks to the spreadsheet. Well, what we offer is the spreadsheet is the Python engine. And so one of the magic things that we have is that if you refer to the cell A1 from the spreadsheet side of things, it's just a cell A1. If you refer to A1 from the Python side of things, it behaves like a Python variable. So if you assign 5 to A1, 5 will appear in the A1 cell. And similarly, if you have some Excel model that puts some data on your screen, you can loop through that in Python just the way that you would in an ordinary loop. So you can just go for row in A1 colon B4, and it will just iterate through that bit of the spreadsheet. So that integration is really tight in a way that we don't think you can accomplish if you have a plugin or something that talks to the spreadsheet instead of being the spreadsheet.